In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template library in ClickUp. We'll walk through building a reusable process, saving it as a template, and then finding it later in your template center, so you can spin up consistent work in seconds. First, go to the level where you want your template to live. That could be a task, a list, a folder, a doc, or even an entire space. Build out your ideal, reusable process right there. Add the structure and details you'll want every time, like tasks and subtasks, checklists for repeatable steps, custom fields for key data, automations to handle routine actions, and clear descriptions that explain what to do. Keep the content reusable. Avoid date-specific language, and use generic labels or placeholders so the template fits different scenarios. When your item looks just right, open its settings. Click the ellipsis icon, the three dots, next to the item's name to open the settings menu. From the drop-down, hover over or select Templates. Choose Save as Template, and you'll see a pop-up appear. In the Save as New Template modal, give your template a clear, recognizable name. Think about how you'll search for it later. Add a short description to explain when and how to use it, and include tags to make filtering easier for your team. Next, set the sharing options to control who in your workspace can access and use this template. If you want to fine-tune what gets included each time the template is applied, use the optional import items settings. This lets you decide whether to bring over things like assignees, due dates, or attachments, so you can keep it lean or fully loaded based on your needs. When everything looks good, click Save Template. This adds your new template to your template center, also called your template library. By the way, if you need ClickUp, I've placed the official website link and the desktop and mobile download links at the top of the description so you can get set up quickly. To access your template center later, you have a few options. Click your workspace avatar in the top left corner and choose Templates or Template Center, depending on your version of ClickUp. You can also create a new space, folder, list or task, and select the option to create it from a template, which opens the Template Center. Or, from any existing item, click the ellipsis menu again. Select Templates, and then click Browse Templates. That's it! Your template library is ready to go. Thanks for watching!